how to fix Gmail not receiving emails. So first of all, open your Gmail. And in here, the first thing that you can do is simply refresh it, scroll down and simply refresh it and see if it's working. So if that's not working, then another thing might be issue with your storage. So if you simply tap on the profile icon right here, if your storage has been full, then it will be shown just like this. In here, you can see I have already used my 98% of the storage. And if I had used the maximum, it will be shown red in here. And like that, you'll know that it is the issue. So try to delete any kind of unnecessary files or something like that from your Google account. So if that's not the issue, then simply go back again and then tap on the menu bar right here. Then from here, you can simply tap on all inboxes just like this and see if that's working. But if that's still not working, then again, tap on the menu bar, then scroll down, then we'll get to the settings, tap on it. Then from here, scroll down until you see the option of data users, tap on it. Then from here, tap on sync settings. Then in here, you have to make sure that this adjuster is up to 30 to least. Just like this, make sure that it at least has 29, 30 or 33 or 35, just like this, and simply tap on done. So after doing that, again, try to refresh it and see if you are receiving emails. If that still did not work, then try to offload your Gmail. For that, go back, then open your settings. And in here, scroll down a bit until you see General, tap on it. Then tap on iPhone storage. After doing that, here, scroll down and in here, you'll get to see all of your applications from which you'll have to choose Gmail, tap on it, then tap on Offload App. Tap on Offload App one more time. And within few seconds, here you can see Gmail has successfully been offloaded. In order to reinstall it back, tap on Reinstall App. Wait for a few minutes and your Gmail will successfully be reinstalled back into your phone. And just like this, here you can see we have successfully reinstalled it back. And after doing all of these, I'm pretty sure that your Gmail will start receiving all of the emails. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.